Hi everyone, welcome to FX Empire. My name is Jitan Solanki and today we're going to be talking about Libertex. Make sure to like and subscribe to this video, and additionally if you have any questions or comments you can list them in the comment section below. In this video review we'll be looking at different features and services provided by the broker and go through their feature-rich web trading platform live a little bit later. Libertex was actually founded in 1997 and is the brand name of Indication Investments Ltd, which is a Cyprus Investment Firm authorised and regulated by the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission. We can confirm this licensing through the regulator's register, the CySEC register. We can see the libertex.com domain name. So what this does is, this means that for retail traders, there's a regulatory requirement for the broker to segregate client funds from company funds, which is very important, as well as provide a negative balance protection policy. So through this regulatory requirement, there are some really good investor safeguards. With Libertex, you can actually trade on more than 250 financial CFD instruments. And you can see these instruments at the top. You've got stocks, cryptos, foreign exchange, metals, indices, agricultural commodities, oil and gas, ETFs. And what you can also see is from their CFD specification page, you can actually see a lot of details regarding trading those asset classes, such as the leverage, the minimum trading volume, commissions, swap fees for overnight holding of positions. So, fantastic. This is all transparent and laid out for us. So if you scroll down, you can see that you can choose between the different platforms that you can trade on. So Libertex offer just one, simple but yet feature-rich trading account, but you can trade on a variety of different platforms. So, for example, on the Libertex, we can then choose our asset classes here, and we can also, there's also options here, which is a new feature, which is really great. So like foreign exchange, and we've got different subgroups and so on. And your base currency. So we can see here all the different asset classes that are available to trade on in the foreign exchange market, and you can see the commission a little bit differently here and working in percentages, but the commissions. So you can actually see here so a commission there for when opening a position, and then also here you can see your swap fees for the long side and to the short side. So great to have that all nicely laid out and transparent. You can change your asset range like stocks here, for example. So again, you can see the commission there for making a trade when opening a position. And you can see the swap fees as well for any overnight position. So, great to have this level of detail and a wide variety of different stocks available to trade on as well. So with Libertex, you can access its simple, easy to use and feature-rich trading platform, which we'll look at in a moment, as well as their own mobile trading app, as well as the MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5 trading platforms as well. And the broker does provide some market analysis, some educational tools. You can see here through the blog page, you've got some educational articles here regarding different topics. So there are a few things here to read as well, which is great. So with Libertex, you can access multilingual customer support from 9 AM to 9 PM, and you can access this through live chat, WhatsApp, email, phone. There's also Facebook Messenger as well. If you can see here, we have connected to an agent historically, and they answered our question very quickly within 10 seconds. From our testing, the customer support has been pretty fast and responsive, so that's great to see as well. So here we have the Libertex trading platform, web-based. So as you can see, first of all, nice, cleanly laid out. And as you can see here, we've got different functions, so we can access instruments that are hot instruments right now, so the most actively traded, popular instruments, indices. They've also got options, which is a new feature as well, so you can trade options on commodity markets and some indices as well, so that's a great new feature. You can access trading signals as well, okay, so you can access different trading signals from this left-hand column. You've got top rising markets, top falling. So, there's a lot of things that you can access at the top screen here. You can also see that you can access news and signals at the top, economic calendar, and you've got the chart in the middle as well. So, for example, if you click on Euro against US dollar, you have a chart. You can change the chart type. So you have candles and bars and Heikin Ashi. You can change time frames as well. So you've got, minute charts, hourly, daily, weekly, monthly charts. Okay, you can view the bid price or the ask price. You can expand this screen as well. Also at the bottom is really good. You've got more information such as the trader sentiment. Okay, You've got different indicators and what they're doing, news for the currency pair you're looking at, provided by Trading Central. So you can click on that, and this kind of opens up some trading ideas as well. Okay, and so that's really great as well. You know, a bit of knowledge there regarding what's going on in the market on the different asset classes that you're trading. And you've got the info ticket as well, which, you know, just provides you more information regarding the asset class that you're actually trading on. So you can also see here you've got the buy and sell ticket. So if I clicked on the buy button, for example, you've got some different options. You can add on obviously technical analysis tools, for example, like different indicators. So lots of different indicators that can be used. You can also see here you can access your trade amount, okay, how much you want to trade there, the multiplier, so you know, leverage there, okay. You see the commission for opening a trading position, all right, and then you can set a take profit, set a take stop loss as well. So you know, all this, you know, easily accessible here, you know, in this ticket. You can also access a pending order here as well, all right. So, you know, lots of different features available, all right. So here I've just pressed buy, and that's, you know, been open, all right. And you can see, you can click on your active trades here at the top, okay. And if I click on that, you can see it on the right hand side anyway. But you can go to the top, and now it gives you more detail on the trade that you've taken. And you know, there's some functions here as well, information on the trade, you know, increase the trade amount. So different things that you can do here. You can also click the X button, which will close that position. You can see it there on the chart as well. And you know, job done. So as you can see, very simple to use. You know, lots of different features in here, which is always good to have. So let's have a look at the Libertex mobile trading app. Okay, so here we have the Libertex mobile trading app. So you can access this once you open up a trading account, which only takes a few minutes. Very, very simple to do from the broker's homepage. And you can access the mobile trading app with your login details. Available on Android and iOS operating devices. This is the iOS version. So as you can see, already a lot of features to get through. You know, you can see here in the market screen in the bottom left, you can choose your different hot lists here. So you've got hot list, you've got trending, you can create a favorites list. You can even trade options from the mobile trading app, which is very unique. You can access signals, top rising, top falling. So a lot of the features available on the web trading platform, available here directly in the mobile trading app, which is great. You can see here at the top, you've got access to a lab. And this is where you can get market overview. So just giving you different you know, news announcements and so on, and sort of what's going on. If we go back, you can access the news tab as well. So you've got economic calendar, you've got the Libertex TV as well, which you know, has different videos going through different things here. So that's also great to have as well. Different trading ideas via video, all directly in the trading app as well, which is great. Also some news there and intraday trading ideas from Trading Central, all right. And you can actually, you know, if you read this and if you want to copy the trade, you can actually just copy the trade directly by clicking the copy trade button. So you can see here, I mean, you know, lots of different features, lots of different asset classes available to trade on as well. And, you know, you can click on one of the currencies here, for example. This opens up the chart window. And you can actually see here, you know, you've got some sentiment indicators. You've got the probability of the market going higher based on services from Trading Central. So, you know, some really cool features there, and you can, you know, turn that on and off if you want to as well. You can change different time frames. So obviously a lot of different time frames here to choose from. You can change the chart construct, so candles, lines, area, bars, view bid or the ask price. You know, you can flip your screen over and you can access indicators as well, okay? So, you know, lots of different features at the top here, indicators, news, live trades, info. So lots of different things you can do. You can perform technical analysis, you know, just switching your screen over. So that's really great. Trading ticket here at the bottom. So, you know, a few different options. We can click buy, we can click sell. You can also look at a trader sentiment indicator there. So in this instance, I'm just going to click the buy button. And you know, you can place orders there directly onto the chart. You can make this a pending order. You can put in take profit, stop loss. You know, you've got a multiplier function here as well. You can choose the amount you're trading in, and you know, the multiplier here. It tells you the commission for opening the trade as well, so it's also good. So here we can just click the buy button, and then that will be instantly open. And you can see that's now an open trade, right? So you've got a few more different options as well. But if you go back at the bottom, you can see the trades window. So this shows you the trades that you're in with a little chart there as well. So, you know, you can do a few things here. You can modify, you know, the trade if you need to, or you can just close it out. So if I just click close out, then, you know, that will just close out the trade. Okay. So, you know, very simple to use, nice, clean functionality. You know, you've got more features here at the bottom, your inbox, you've got the wallet as well. So just very simple to use, lots of different features, really great mobile trading app. And that really wraps up this FX Empire review of Libertex. We hope you found it to be of value and wish you all the best in your trading.